Okay, we're also going to create a Google form to put on our page where it's ask a question. So you go into your Google Drive and you choose create, and instead of document you choose form. You will have seen these quite a lot because we've used them in the wiki to ask you questions during lessons. Give your form a title. You might want to get rid of the box if there's anything been updated. And choose a theme, but it should be in keeping with your page. So if you don't like any of them, just keep with a plain one. So let's ask a question, and the first question I'm going to ask is something simple like your name. You can put help text if you think they need it, and you can choose whether it needs to be a text box or a paragraph, and that one's going to be a required question. Second question is just chosen by choosing add item, and you can choose the type of question. This time I'm going to go for multiple choice, and I'm going to ask which primary school they go to, because we've said we'll send the answers to the primary school. So choose your school from the drop down list. I'm going to change that to choose from list. And I'm going to put in the names of all the Canvey Island primary schools. Oh, and there we go. And then I make that a required question again and click done. Next question, going to go for a paragraph, and it's please enter your question. And again, it's a required question. And they've got room to write a little bit more than just their name. Last question I'm going to have is going to be a tick box type question. And have you found this website useful? I'm going to give them yes or no. And I think I will put another one in. I'm going to go back to a paragraph. Is there anything else you think we could include? It's always a good idea to get a bit of user feedback about your site when you're doing any sort of web design work, but that's not a required question. I'm going to put a confirmation for their question. I'm going to leave the link showing to submit another response. I'm going to choose to send it to a spreadsheet. I'm going to give that a name. And what will happen whenever anybody fills in the form on your site is that it will add to the spreadsheet. You can also get an email alert to tell you that there has been a form response. So I'm going to view the live form. This is what it's going to look like live on the internet. Basically just my questions. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to rename it because I haven't given it a name. I'm going to call it ask a question. I'm going to have a look at the spreadsheet that's going to have the responses in. So when it's been filled in, this spreadsheet will get filled out. And I'm happy with that, so I'm done.